The OnePlus One 50R is finally official, and it comes with some big changes that immediately grab attention. This phone is positioned as the more affordable sibling to the OnePlus 15, but this year there is a clear shift in strategy. The price has gone up by $100 compared to the OnePlus 30R, which naturally raises questions. The good news is that OnePlus did not increase the price without giving users something meaningful in return. The biggest headline feature is the battery. The OnePlus One 50R comes with a massive 7400 mAh battery, which is the largest battery OnePlus has ever put into a smartphone. This is even bigger than the battery inside the flagship OnePlus 15. Compared to the OnePlus 30R's 6000 mAh battery, this is a huge jump. In real-world use, this puts the phone firmly into 2-day battery territory, and for lighter users, even a third day without charging does not sound unrealistic. OnePlus also claims the battery will retain at least 80% of its capacity after 4 years, which is reassuring for long-term use. Charging is still fast, but there is a small catch. The phone supports up to 80W fast charging, but the charger included in the box only goes up to 5 kW. To get the full charging speed, users need to buy the separate 100W Savro adapter. Even at 50W, charging is still quick, but those who care about speed will likely want the extra accessory. The camera setup sees a noticeable shakeup. On the back, the OnePlus One 50R has a 50MP main camera with optical image stabilization and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. On the front, the selfie camera has been upgraded from 16MP to a much better 32MP sensor, which is a welcome improvement. OnePlus has also introduced its new Detail Max engine, bringing features like ultra-clear mode for sharper daytime photos, clear burst for better action shots, and a new clear night engine that improves low-light photography. Video recording is solid, with support for 4K at up to 120 frames per second. However, there is one major disappointment for photography fans. The OnePlus One 50R no longer has a dedicated telephoto camera. The OnePlus 30R included a 50MP zoom lens, and its removal will be a deal breaker for some users. For people who care deeply about mobile photography and zoom, this is a clear downgrade. The display is clearly aimed at gamers. The OnePlus One 50R features a large 683-inch 5K AMOLED panel with a refresh rate that goes all the way up to 165 Hz. While 120 Hz is already more than enough for daily use, gamers will appreciate the smoother motion. Brightness reaches up to 1,800 nits, making the screen easy to see even outdoors. An ultrasonic fingerprint sensor sits under the display, offering faster and more reliable unlocking than the older optical sensor. Performance is another strong point. The OnePlus One CPR uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip. While it is not the top-tier Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 found in the OnePlus 15, it is still very powerful. OnePlus claims big gains in CPU, GPU, and AI performance compared to the previous generation. Combined with LPDDR4X Ultra RAM, UFS 4.1 storage, and an advanced cooling system with a large vapor chamber and aerogel layers, the phone is clearly built to handle heavy gaming and sustained performance. Storage options include 256GB and 512GB, both paired with 12GB of RAM. There is no 1TB option, but for most users, this will be more than enough. Design-wise, the phone comes in charcoal black and mint breeze, both with glass backs. Durability is impressive, with multiple IP ratings covering dust, water immersion, and even hot water resistance. On the software side, the OnePlus 50R launches with Oxygenos 16 based on Android 16. It will receive 4 years of Android updates and 6 years of security updates. There are also plenty of AI features, including PlusMind, which helps save and organize content, and works closely with Google Gemini for smart suggestions. Pricing starts at $60.99 for the 256GB model and goes up to $799 for the 512GB version. That $100 price hike is real, but so are the upgrades. The OnePlus 50R feels like a phone made for gamers and power users who want insane battery life and strong performance in a clean, normal-looking design. It is not the best choice for mobile photography lovers, but for everyone else, especially those tired of charging their phone every night, the OnePlus 50R makes a very strong case.